Sheesh, my mans, what's good? Got some coffee getting made. Sheesh. Yeah, man, about to start the Z. Gotta do the basics, you feel me? Gotta check the oil real quick. You feel me? Every single day. She Gucci, we like halfway. You know, you gotta do this shit every time just to make sure. My oil pressure switch, what? My oil pressure gauge is broken, so, or not the gauge, or it might not be the gauge, but I think it's the line, not the line, the sensor itself. You see? Good angle. The mic's in the way, I'm gonna just, I don't know, fuck. That shit worse than a BMW, bro. Sheesh. Got some food for the day. Ooh-wee. Ground beef and rice, everybody's favorite. Forgot the eggs today, though. Forgot the eggs. Well, it's currently nighttime, so it's gonna be hard to see. The Z honestly has bad headlights, bro. Sheesh, man. We do a little pull. Sheesh, man. I love this thing, man. Can't see anything, though, but I love it, man. Sheesh, I lost the camera for a second. We do a little pull, so y'all not out the loop. Just like a little one. I'm not even gonna go full. Just gonna get some blow off. Roundabout coming up, going drifting for y'all. Not really. Hold on, let me roll up the window. Not actually, hold on. Sheesh, man. Love this thing. But I just wanted to get a quick little video out there, man. Going to work or the gym. We gotta go to the gym first. But yeah. I tried to hook up this water hose, bro, and that shit like had good pressure with this one because it's smaller, but with that one it doesn't have that much pressure. So I'll try to figure some shit out. But yeah, man. Sheesh, got some brake dust. Sheesh, man. They didn't even drive it that much, bro. I might have like a tiny video series on taking it apart and everything, but we definitely have to fix the little issues. I'm not even gonna lie. So this might be the last POV y'all see for maybe a couple weeks. Maybe honestly like 2 or 3 weeks. We might just take it apart, stuff like that. It is dirty though. Definitely gotta get it cleaned. Don't wanna leave the brake stuff on there, so we might clean it up, you know, get y'all a little video of that. Yeah, man, sheesh. Subscribe, like, comment, you know what I mean? I love this car for real. No complaints. Except for like, there's like little things I gotta do. Like I got RTV here, I wanna take, I gotta move, I gotta adjust this one's a little bit too high. And there's a bunch of other stuff I gotta do. But right now we're gonna, spider. Actually, hold on. Bro, y'all probably can't see him, but look how big that thing is, bro. That's a big ass spider. Yeah, boys, subscribe, like, comment. Last video with the Z, probably not, but for a while. We'll see. I got some other videos I need to upload anyway, so